Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make Bolivian Sonso de Yuca. To get started, boil 2.5 pounds of frozen yuca. And make sure you heavily salt your water before adding in the yuca. After it's cooked, remove from the hot water and add 1.5 cups of butter. Mash your yuca together with the butter until it has a mashed potato-like consistency. In the process of mashing, make sure you remove any stems or veins from the yuca. Next step is to add 1 cup of grated asiago cheese, 1 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Combine all your ingredients together. To start assembling, you're going to need a deep casserole dish and add in half of your mashed yuca. Spread and pat down the mixture. Next, add a layer of mozzarella cheese. Add as much or as little as you'd like. Now we add our last layer of yuca. We found it easier to use our hands for this step and patted down the mixture. For a crispy top, add a sprinkle of mozzarella. Cover with aluminum foil. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Uncover and allow to broil. Now it's ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe.